There is no responsibility without an accountability. Hi, this is Prabhakar Mourya, your innovative home building expert. In this summer, most of the houses, apartments, societies in the towns and cities are experiencing water scarcity. Water is something which cannot be produced, but it can be saved by using judiciously. I mean to say that the moment you provide the items, when you try to use the water judiciously, you will be able to save more water, and then you will be saving that water scarcity impact. You will be saved with the impact of the water scarcity. Like the power, we are more cautious of using power. Just like that, we always write that please switch off the lights. In the offices we might have seen it. Actually in the home we always say that if someone is not there in the bedroom, please switch off the light, switch off the fan, switch off the AC. Why? Because there is a chance of getting more power bill, and that power bill will be heavy, will be adding more impact on your pocket, and then you are more cautious of it. But when it comes to the water, we don't have any accountability because there are no water meters installed, and that is not giving you any accountability, which makes you realize that, hey, look, I am using more water, then I will be more liable to pay for that particular month or for that particular moment over there. So remember, it's very simple that we need to add accountability aspect, then only the responsibility comes. Why it is that the same person is more cautious of power, but he is not more conscious of water. In fact, if there is no power, we can survive, but if there is no water, we cannot imagine. So always it is most important, I would say it's a prime most important to have water meter in each and every houses. Apart from water meter, there has to be water saving devices. If you see my channel in the different videos, you will be understanding that how to save water by using different gadgets which can reduce 50% of your water usage in a day one. I mean it, in a day one it can reduce 50% of the water usage whatever you are using in today's life. So realize that particular aspect, take action today, have water installed in your building, in your apartment, in your society, to have water conscious among all the people who are all residing in that area. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video with another innovative solution which can help you to make your living in a better. Please subscribe my channel, share this video. If at all you have liked the video, please press the like button and share this video to your known friends. It will add value to them. Thank you. Signing off, innovative home building expert.